So this question says x minus 2y into bracket x plus 2y is equal to 4. Quantity A says x squared minus 4y squared, and quantity B is equal to 8. So in order to solve this problem, we need to open this bracket. So if we open this bracket, we use the whole of this term to open this bracket. So we can say x into bracket x plus what, 2y. Then we use minus 2y to open the same bracket, x plus what, 2y is equal to 4. So x times x will give us x squared, x times 2y, that's plus 2 what, xy. Then minus 2y times x, that's minus 2 what, xy. Then minus 2y times 2y, that is minus 4y squared, right? Everything is equal to 4. So let me bring it here. So plus 2xy minus 2xy, they cancel out. So what we have left is what, x squared, right, minus what, 4y squared is equal to 4. So if you look at quantity A, we have x squared minus 4y squared, and quantity B is equal to 8. Since x squared minus 4y squared is equal to 4, so we can say that quantity A is 4, while quantity B is what, 8. So obviously quantity B is what, is greater than quantity A. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.